Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadget once again. Today I'll be talking about the Medify hair purifier. Before we dive into it, to know how this works and how it operates, why you should get an air purifier from Medify hair, make sure you click on the subscribe button and leave the bell on so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video about any form of gadgets. Life better. Thank you. Okay, now so this is the box it came in. This is the box it came in. You can see the height. There is a little inscription on the body just to tell you how it works. Yeah, it's captured up to 99% of the contaminant in your hair, either in your living room or your bedroom. It even have a safe lock for children. This is where the hands of your children can reach. So the moment you tap on the safe lock, they can't press anything on it. So that's just the box. Let's get this out. Yeah, the machine itself. This is the machine itself. Okay, this is the machine itself. So beautiful. It's white. This is for the basement in the container. Wow, 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 wow. You can see. You can see. Wow, this is beautiful. So one beautiful thing about this air purifier is this. It has two sievers. What are the function of these sievers? It not actually collects the dirt alone, but it also collects pollen grains. There are some people that are allergic to pollen grains inside dust. It traps them and disseminate out. It has two filters. You put your hands here, then you unlock it. You can see. So I'm turning it so you can see the filter. When it was delivered brand new, it has a nylon, protected nylon, so I had to remove it before I could use it. It has two filters. So if you want to remove it, all you need is to draw this white tab and you are done. Probably when it's dusty, there is a way you can clean it. You can do that to the other side too. So these two places are where it sucks in air. It sucks in air from these two sides. I'm going to close that back as we are not more doing anything there, just to show you that it's an amazing gadget you should have in your home if you desire a pure air with the high rate of environmental pollution in our society. So when it sucks in air from here, it sees the air, then it's pass a clean air out here. It is best used when you have all your windows closed and probably you are running on AC. Even when your windows are open, it still does the job. It's just like it's going to do more work. So that is that for Medify air purifier. I'll be leaving a link below if you want to get one on eBay or on Amazon. This is a wonderful device I would recommend for anyone if you have little children who are allergic to a lot of things that you can't even identify. Medify hair is one good purifier you need. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have learned one of two things, kindly make sure you share this video with your friends and leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Until next week, same time, Wednesday. God bless you.